friend Jared is over here working real hard on getting a sticker off. In the meantime, I finally got some Diode Dynamics LED side marker lights, and so I'm going to replace that with these. Can't open it in one hand, but you get the point. So here we go. All finished up. Old one's back in here. Obviously look way better now. It's a solid LED strip. So there you go. Pretty easy. You just reach up under there, pop the front out, slide that out, twist the light counterclockwise, pull out the harness, pull out the little light bulb, plug the new wiring harness into where the light bulb was, and then repeat the process going backwards. Put it in. So I'm finally home from Ponies and the Smokies, guys. Got my side marker on. Got both of them in already. Look really good, way better than the other ones did. As you can see, I don't know how well you can see, but this is actually a full LED board that goes from there versus just a little basic bulb. Looks so much better and so much brighter. As you can see, it looks completely stock now from the outside. Sorry, there's not much light right there, but. What's up, guys? Back at it again here today. Got a new mod for the Mustang. You might have seen a couple clips we've uploaded, but I've been waiting to upload kind of more of a more detailed review of my Diode Dynamics LED side marker lights in the back. Insert clip right here. But yeah, guys, as you can see, it's now a full LED board that goes all the way, almost the entire length of the reflector. And so instead of that, just that little basic halogen bulb that's like this big on there, just looks so much better at night, and even on during the day. And you know, you can get these in either the red, just like the stock appearance, or like tinted black or clear. So I just went for the stock since my car's wide. I think it looks best, but just a much better light overall than it was before. But basically, from the factory, the new S550 Mustangs, which are 2015 and up chassis code Mustangs, have really amazing lighting all the way around. 15 through 17 have HID projectors by Xenons with LED accent lighting and LED fog lights. They have full LED tail lights, and really the only couple things that aren't really up to par are the backup light, which was bad, but I already have the Diode Dynamics XP80 LED backup light, and it's really bright and looks really good. Diode Dynamics makes really good products. And so now I have the side marker lights, which are right behind the rear wheels back there on the fender. And so they look a lot better than they did stock. I'll show you, I don't know if I have a video of my stock ones, but I know I've got a video like with the LED ones now versus what Jared has on his. So we'll show you that. You can see my hat or not, but it says MMS on there. And so I wanted to give a shout out to Modify My Mustang. They gave me this hat, and this koozie actually gave me a couple and a few stickers, and I bought these side marker lights at Ponies and the Smokies, and I got them for like $72 versus their $80 on Diode Dynamics website, and the shipping that I was going to get was going to be like $20, so I saved like $30 on just these side marker lights, so it was a no-brainer to buy them there. Diode Dynamics LED side marker lights, XP80 backup light. As you can see, it looks way better like that. Both sides. So now the back end of my car is completely Diode Dynamics. So there you go, guys. Just a quick little review of my Diode Dynamics LED side marker lights. Really pleased with them. Really pleased with the product. They look completely stock, and they got an OEM quality to them, which is, you know, you don't find often in the aftermarket. But shout out once again to Modify My Mustang. Follow them on Instagram, Modify My Stang. Really cool company. Do a lot of cool custom stuff, like cool custom valve covers and engine covers, and they'll paint anything inside your engine bay, like color match and stuff. But really cool company, really nice guys. They had a nice little booth down there at Ponies and Smokies. But guys, just we're almost at 500 subs. I think at the time of doing this video we're at like 490 something, so that's incredible. We've gained over 100 in just 2 days. So thank you for everyone who's subscribed, and keep in mind still, when we get to 1,000 subs, we are going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away a GoPro Hero 5 Black or a $300 gift card to the place of the winner's choosing.
So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And if you haven't liked the video, please go drop a like. That helps us out a lot. Comment down below what you think of the new side marker lights, and follow us on Instagram, Down South Racing 606. Twitter is DSR 606, and like our Facebook page, it's just Down South Racing. But other than that, guys, just another quick little video. I didn't really video how to install it. I tried to do a time lapse, but one of the connectors was kind of stuck up in there, so I had to waste my time getting that out, and I turned the camera off, and the battery ended up dying. So there's like a 5-second time lapse of just me like trying to stick a little metal piece up in there and get that thing out. But I did get it, and so now they fit in there. But again, guys, just please like, share, and subscribe if you're new. I hope everybody had a great day. Peace out.